Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cow goes.
Cow goes who?
No, silly cows go moo.
I heard that one. Just the house.
Yeah?
Jamal,
You guys want?
we're going camping, dog.
Oh, wait.
Can we come in?
Come outside, Jamal. Can we go ahead?
Yo, bro, get out of here. I'm not in the mood.
Can we come in?
No, don't tell me you're not in the mood. Come outside.
Can we come in?
Nah, go away.
Why?
Alright, come in. Stop bothering me.
I'm sorry that your dad died.
That means a lot.
It's bracking, dog.
What's good, bro? So, why you guys at my door?
Because we wanted to go camping with you.
I don't think I'm in the mood for camping today.
I think I know better. All right, shoes on. We're going camp.
You know you love camping.
Just not myself.
If I get your rematch, you know, I don't want to embarrass you, but
Maybe, I don't know. I'm just want to stay home or something.
You haven't much.
come on, Jamal. You know, Big Jamal wouldn't want you sitting here.
Ah, that's true. That's true.
All right, up-o. All right.
Make sure you get your stuff packed
Let's go.
too.
Let's go before I change my mind.
Wow, guys, the forest is extra foresty this year.
It's really dark, too. We gotta hurry up.
But the sky is very beautiful tonight. I'm gonna check the map. My parents gave me this map so we could go to the cottage
Oh,
and
awesome.
have fun.
That's
Nice.
We need to go.
Oh, that way. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah, that looks like a good way to go.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Let's go, Steve.
Hi,
Hey,
Steve.
what up? Hey, Marcel, how we doing? Give me a hug.
Oh, how you doing? I haven't seen you forever.
Is there any bears here?
Fredo, what up, champ? Hi. Sidearm, bam, bam, bam. What up?
Let's go, baby.
Jamal, my
Oh,
nigga,
man.
what's good to you, man? How you doing, bro?
Long time no see, baby.
How you doing, brother? You good?
Side on.
You good? You good? I heard about your dad, bro. I'm sorry, man. You all right?
Can't suck,
Excuse me.
but it is what it is.
Well, I'm glad you made it. I didn't think you guys were gonna get him out of here. How you did that?
A lot of money involved.
Is there any bears here?
At this time, the bears are all sleeping in their caves. We're gonna be good. This is a beautiful paradise. I'm glad you guys were able to get my man Jamal out. Hey, get
Yeah.
comfortable, guys. Just set up.
He didn't want to.
He didn't? I knew you would be able to talk
Yeah.
him into it. Set up this tent.
All right,
Let me go grab some supplies. Be back.
I'm comfortable.
Hey, look at the moon tonight, guys.
So beautiful. We can never lose the map. The map is very
Sorry
important.
about that, everybody. I haven't seen you guys since high school. How's everybody doing, man?
Doing good, man.
Good.
Yeah? Well, that's
Yeah.
good.
How are you, man?
I've been all right, man. I've been traveling the world a little bit here and there, you know?
Whatever you're like.
Seeing a lot of new things.
That's nice, Steven.
Do you like
You
this
know?
place?
My boy.
I do like this place.
Is it like
Steve.
scary sometimes?
No, not at all. It's beautiful. It's a paradise.
Sure.
Oh, it's a paradise. You're gonna love it.
But yeah, guys, I wonder what's gonna be in this trail.
Me too.
Hopefully it's
Maybe.
something-
It's like cool insects.
Yeah. I'm tired, guys. Let's go to sleep. I'm gonna hit the light, guys, alright? Everybody comfortable?
As comfortable as I'm gonna get.
Check if there's any good trails that we can follow. There's a red trail, green trail, yellow trail.
Let's go right here.
What's that? I've
I
never
don't
seen
know.
that before. A trail that's not on the map? You guys feel adventurous? You
No.
back here yawning? You look tired. You want to stay behind and take a nap?
I'll go with you guys.
You good? All right. Let's go.
Dum, dum, dum.
Smell that fresh air, guys?
I hear,
You don't smell that in the city. Come on, let's go. So the map says we need to go this way.
I hear something.
Wait, I hear something too. Yeah, real faint.
Sounds like it needs help.
It does. It sounds like it's hurting.
Come on.
Sounds like it's coming this way. Come on, guys. God. You should have brought a machete or something. You see nothing.
Let's go close.
I hear it though. It sounds loud over here.
I see it.
Wait.
You mean baby fingers?
It's a baby bear.
Oh my God, it is a baby bear.
Mom, that's
It looks like he's trapped and needs help.
How do you get him out?
I'm not sure. Hold on. Well, it's a clamp. We just gotta open up the clamp.
Somebody home?
Here, I'll grab this side. You grab that side. You grab the bear. Don't bite us, little guy.
I'm trying to help.
Okay, and good. Shh. We saved the baby bear.
Here you go. Are you okay?
I'm gonna go take up the bear still there, okay? Be brave. Child. Alright? Padawan, be brave. Alright, let's go.
I'm gonna be watching.
Don't tell me no.
No.
The bear!
Wait,
Is that
is that free?
Oh no,
Did you get him?
The bear got him.
the bear got him. I'm not going out there.
I need to go to the bathroom.
What? Right now? Right now. You need to use the.
It's literally the
What,
worst
number one or number
time.
two? You better go pee over there. The problem is the bathroom is way over there.
Where the bear is.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Come on, we'll go with you. We'll wait outside. Why do you have to pee right now? I'm scared. Hurry up. Hurry up. Freaking women always gotta pee at the wrong time. Oh my God.
Did they really just run and leave me here? What the? Guys, is that you?
I can't leave myself. I can't do this. I don't want to be a hero. I don't want to be a hero. Marcel? It's me, Steve. Can I come in? Marcel? Jamal!
What?
Marcel! Marcel's dead.
What happened?
She was innocent. She was torn to pieces. We should have left her. We gotta get help for our friends.
This can't be true.
You just feel like a girl.
Sorry, I loved her.
We gotta go get help for our friends. They can't die here. They need a proper burial. But there's only two ways to go. It's either left or right, bro. And that bear's still out there, bro. Okay?
If I don't make it,
Jamal,
tell my family I love them.
if I don't make it, tell my mom I hate her. And she still owes me that $20.
I might never see you again. Be good.
Kid. I need to get help.
Sweep it. We're gonna put some of the music on and we're gonna live like back in the 40s when my mama and my papa
Help!
used to tell us.
Help!
Oh,
Please!
what is wrong with you? Cheryl, you telling this crazy kid. What's wrong with you, you crazy kid?
You know-
running up on an old man and an innocent woman.
Help! Please help!
Hey, what is wrong with you? You're looking all crazy and dirty, kid.
My friends! They're
Spit it out. What is your friend
Yes,
doing?
spit it out.
a killer bear! Attack them!
Kill a bear, you say? Did you say kill a bear? Cheryl, get in the shotgun now. Get in the shotgun. You show us the way, young man. We killing the bear.
This way!